dancers, welcome to
Dance Insanity. Today we're going to be showing you the basic cha-cha, and we're going to expand it into 4 other versions for a total of 5.
Wow, you did that math really fast.
I'm so good at math.
Good job.
Thank you. If you're brand new to cha-cha, you might want to check out our crash course on cha-cha first and come back to this when you're a little bit more comfortable.
We will show you all the different variations slowly, and then at the end, we will dance it all to music.
Let's see that cha-cha basic.
Partner, frame. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Our first creation is to have the steps close on 3. 1, 2, close on 3. Chasse. 4 and 1. 2, close on 3. Cha-cha 1. So how in the monkey balls do we get the follower to go ahead and close on that 3?
I refuse to close on the 3. Unless you buy me dinner.
Ha! Now, that's a good thing to do, but you gotta actually lead and follow. Sorry. As I step here, 2, I'm not going to bring her back. I'm not gonna bring myself back. I keep my frame right here. And then as I bend that knee, I'm just keeping her on that point so she can switch. Now I've got my frame toned, and as I move, that'll move her. And 4 and 1. Now here, I just move me, 2. She's used to rocking and going back, but I keep my tone, and then I close that foot, 3. She should be able to sense where my weight is because my frame is toned enough to take her to each position.
This is a totally leadable step. You have 2 points of connection, right here, and also his hand on my back, right? So you need to really feel the connection. And followers, you want to dance your left shoulder into his hand. Now we're going to use a cucaracha in place of a side chasse.
4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. The footwork is simply rock, step, replace. Everybody cucarachas, replaces, and close. Rock, step, replace, a cucaracha, replace, and close. And there you have it.
What is a cucaracha, Tytus?
Cucaracha goes side, replace, close, side, replace, close.
Da 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 da, cucaracha, cucaracha, da 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 da.
2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Footwork. Close, cross, side, close, cross, side,
Close it, cross it, side, close, cross, side. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. A surprise break basically is an oppositional concept where one person slingshots away from the other. Bam, bam, bam. One person's doing the cucaracha while the other one does a
surprise
break. Okay?
Not to be confused with Breaking Bad, which is all about math and Mr. White,
not to be confused
Jesse,
with
and the desert.
Not to be confused with Breaking Wind, which is another problem. Go ahead and subscribe. Punch that button right in the face. Oh, we have new videos every single week, so make sure you click the bell. That way you get them as soon as they come out. You're the first to learn. be doing a lot of really cool steps with your ideas even. So maybe there's a step you want to see supersized. You're tired of seeing it done the same old way, and you want to be able to do it 5 ways, 15 ways. Leave us a comment. We'll get back to you with that step supersized.
Send this video to your dance buddies or friends who love to dance and cha-cha. Then you can practice along with them. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.